one, Rip Raceway. I did a build a while back when I started getting back into modding diecast. So I'm going to dedicate that build to OPA. I am looking for some tooseitoys. I do suffer with a disability and mobility problem, so I do this purely for fun. It's a hobby, been doing it for a long time. This wasn't, but yeah. So, that truck I'm going to dedicate, and I've also did a Porsche when he was still around. Dedicated that build to him. They still do have it. Sorry, lighting in this place really sucks. So yeah, I did that build a while back when I came to OPA. So I just didn't have any of the tooseitoys. Sorry, the lighting here lights. No. I'm gonna attribute that to OPA. God rest him and God bless his family. May the Lord keep and protect us and keep us covered in these trying times. Thank you. Zip, get it,